Hey chemistry crew, Mr. Collier here. Today I want to share with you another gas law. This one's called Dalton's Law of Partial Pressures. It's actually one of the simplest gas laws, and it is simply that the sum of the pressure of all the different gases in a mixture of gases is equal to the total pressure. Or another way to say it is the total is equal to the sum of the parts. And so if you have a bunch of gases mixed together, for example, the air that we breathe is a mixture of a bunch of different gases, then the pressure that you experience from all of those gases is equal to the pressure of each individual gas added together. Now, this also means that the pressure of any individual gas is going to be some fraction of the part of the whole. And this actually has a lot to do with us understanding our atmosphere. So the types of problems you're going to get are either going to be figuring out a partial pressure or a total pressure, or doing something with percentages. So here in this example, and again, sorry, this is on page 14 in your notes packet, we could have this type of problem where we have a mixture of different gases, in this case oxygen, argon, and carbon, and we know their partial pressures, 745 torr, 0.278 atmospheres, and 391 torr. What is the total pressure in the flask? So in this type of problem, what you're going to want to do is make sure each of the partial pressures is converted to the same unit. So in this case, two of them are torr, so it would probably be easiest to convert the third one to torr as well. So we're going to convert that atmospheres to torr. We're going to keep three significant digits, and then we're simply going to add them all up. If we sum the partial pressures, that is the total pressure. I've got an illustration here where we can see two different gases. If they are mixed together, the total pressure is simply the sum of those pressures. And you can see that they're trying to illustrate that here with the little drawings. So this amount plus this amount equals this amount. One more type of sample problem is we could do something with percentages. So for example, the total pressure of the mixture of helium and neon is 498. If helium is 20% of that mixture, what is the partial pressure of helium? So if we know the total is 498, really all we need to do is figure out what 20% of that. So you're going to get some practice working with percents. After you do your homework tonight, I'll show you some more sample problems tomorrow where you can look at these. So how do we take 20%? Well, 20% as a decimal is 0.2, so we simply do 498 times 0.2 to get it to be 20%. So 20% of 498 is 99.6. That should be all you need to do your homework. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.